Hi guys, I'm filming outside today because I wanted to show you something I made and I need to film a lot of me. And my apartment is just so small, I just can't find the space for that anywhere in a good way. So I'm out on the balcony again, as usual. There's a lot of traffic going by, I hope that is not too disturbing. So yeah, anyway, here's what I'm wearing today. This is one of my favorite skirts that I've made, and I'm going to get back to that one on a different occasion because I'm going to remake this one. Well, I'm going to make another one, but what I wanted to show you today is this top. Do you recognize it? It's this Zweig that was so popular a few years back. Now I made mine using the wispy pink yarn that I dyed, and I just wanted to show you how you can combine. Oh, we got weird lighting. We'll do like this? No. How you can combine your own hand-dyed yarns with commercial yarns, and this is pink Baby Merino. I think, yeah, pink Baby Merino that I've been using. Sorry about the very weird lighting. And that I combined with the wispy pink. Let's see if I can move the camera a bit. Okay, this is really tricky. I'm hoping the sun will disappear behind this, some of the skies again. And that circle shadow thing you're seeing at the bottom here is the shadow of my ring light, which my camera is attached to. But yeah, here is my Zweig. Like I said, knit in Baby Merino. The pink and the light wispy pink. Hello sun, cooperate please. Is from the hand-dyed yarn that we made a while back. Kind of hard to tell if I'm getting any good shots because of the sun, because I can't quite see the screen, but hopefully. Also, I hope the wind isn't bothering the sound too much. Anyway, just wanted to show you what I made. Looking forward to wearing this a lot during this autumn. It's finally cooling down a little bit. Also, since I am going through menopause, I'm very hard in myself, so I think this will be a great item to have during autumn and possibly also during winter, because it's really hot inside our apartment for some reason. At least it was last winter. Anyhow, finished object, short-sleeved Zweig. Just follow the pattern. Didn't make any changes anywhere other than I just stopped knitting the sleeve when I felt it was a length that I liked. So that's it. And again, this is one thing you can do with your hand-dyed yarns. Just combine it with a commercial yarn. As long as it's the same quality. Well, you can do different as well. Be a little wildly crazy and have some that is looser knit and some that is maybe a bit heavier. Anything goes, anything goes. Well, that's it. The sun is coming out again and I'm gonna go edit this real quick. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.